Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Tuesday, October 24th, 2017. I really hope you are watching this action right now with regard to the stock market, the bond market, more importantly, and precious metals, which we know are not real with regard to their price action. But again, it's a very interesting set of dynamics, and I've been going over this to the point of like ridiculousness since I put up that free chart on my website that you can monitor the bond market. Let's talk about that real quick. As I am doing this video blog, stocks have vaulted higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up over 150 points. But where's the cash coming from? It's coming from the bond market, and you can see this in real time once again right on my website, traderschoice.net. So I really hope you're paying attention to that chart I put up there for you. Bonds are selling off right now. When bonds sell off, the cash it doesn't go to money heaven like they want you to believe. It moves over into risk on, which is what we have now, a risk on environment with regard to the stock market. You can also see the action of precious metals. I hate saying that. The paper derivative of precious metals. Cash is leaving there too. Metals are under pressure, bonds are under pressure, and the cash is simply moving into the stock market. Now we're going to keep our eyes on this. Watch the flow of cash, and you can have a better handle on what's going to happen with the markets. Now this was setting up way before the market opened. The U.S. 10-year yield went higher, which tells us what? That cash is leaving the bond market. And you saw the stock futures. They were up 150, 160 points. So you can see this action before it reflects in the stock market. It's so important. Remember, the stock market always comes to the party late. The action starts in the bond market, and then it bleeds off to everything else. Remember, once again, the bond market is the biggest market of them all. So when the bond market moves, it's going to affect the price of every single other asset. It's just so important to understand this. So like I said, we're going to keep our eyes on this. I told you how I was taking advantage of this yesterday. I bought puts on IBM, which are doing well today. I have a hedged position on the Qs right now. We'll see how that plays out as well moving forward. Metals, once again, are on super sale, people, so you know what you should be doing. When you see cash leaving the bond market, it's also more than likely going to be leaving the paper derivatives, gold and silver, lowering their price, subsequently making it better for you, better for me, and better for everyone else who's becoming their own central bank and bidding against this debt. Anyway, just real quick, I got a ton of emails from people who really appreciate that chart that I put up on my website. Look, I promise all of you that I'm going to do whatever I can and humanly possible to make this easy for you so you can understand. So you don't have to sit there and wonder what's going to happen, because you're going to have an idea by just watching the bond market. And it's right on my website again, traderschoice.net, right side of the page underneath the chat room, which is free too. So I hope you're using it. I saw a lot of people in there yesterday. Thank goodness. I want all you guys and girls to take advantage of this. There's some real smart people in that chat room. You can bounce ideas off of each other, and that's a good thing. All right, with that said, I will see all of you at the end of the day. It's going to be very interesting to see how this plays out. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about the bond market at the end of the day, the stock market, metals. We'll sum it all up, and we'll try to make sense of it. All right. I'll see you later after the market close.